18,000 steps. That's how many it took to reach one of Jamaica's most underrated waterfalls. And every single one was worth it. I went hiking to Kwame Falls in St. Mary, and I'm still buzzing from this adventure. This isn't your typical Jamaican waterfall hike where you drive up, walk 30 minutes, and boom, you're there. No, this is a full-on journey that's gonna test your stamina and reward you with views that'll make your jaw drop. We started at 7:30 in the morning and loaded up with a group from Fortis Tours. After arriving at Robins Bay, stretching, and grabbing some snacks, we hit the trail. Right away, I knew this hike was different. Here's the thing that makes the hike to Kwame Falls so unique: the diversity. One minute you're walking through lush green forest that feels like something straight out of a rainforest. The next minute, stunning ocean views that'll have you reaching for your camera every 5 seconds. We're talking mountains, coastline, actual beach hiking, all in one trail. If you're enjoying this adventure so far, do me a solid and gently tap that like button. It really helps us keep uncovering these hidden gems for you. So we're trekking along, and we pass donkeys just chilling on the path, goats doing their thing. It's like nature's welcoming committee saying, "Welcome to the real Jamaica." The views just kept getting better and better. The bright green mountains and that deep blue ocean, absolutely breathtaking. 2 hours later, we finally reached Kwame Falls. And this place is beautiful. I mean, it's the kind of beautiful that makes you want to just sit there and soak it all in. The water's pretty deep, so most of us hung out closer to the shore. Some folks jumped right in, while others, like me, found a nice spot to chill. The extroverts found each other, and the introverts got their peaceful solitude, and everyone was just vibing. But here's where it gets real. After soaking in all that natural beauty and recharging, we had to hike those 2 hours back. And you know what made it even better? We saw ruins of an old church along the way. I'm talking legit historical gems just sitting there, waiting to be explored. That's Jamaica for you. Always surprising you with something special when you least expect it. By the time we got back to town, I was ready for some serious fuel. Nothing hits quite like jerk chicken after a 4-hour hike, and it tasted like victory. 36,000 steps total. I was exhausted, but my soul was singing. This was my second hike with Fortis Tours, and I'm already planning 2 more before I tackle the big one, Blue Mountain Peak. Because here's what I've learned. Jamaica isn't just about the beaches and resorts. It's about these adventures, these moments where you push yourself and discover places that make you fall in love with this island all over again. So if you're looking for a hike that gives you everything, ocean views, mountain trails, beach walking, waterfalls, and even some history thrown in, Kwame Falls needs to be on your list. Just make sure you bring water, snacks, good hiking shoes, and a whole lot of energy. Until next time, keep exploring, keep adventuring, and remember, the best parts of Jamaica are sometimes the ones you have to work a little harder to find.